Alright, I'm gonna make an unboxing video. I don't think I've ever made an unboxing video before, so here we go. Will you see what this is? It's pretty awesome. Alright. Pop that open. Ow. I hit my hand really hard about an hour ago on the back of my chair. Man, that's gonna hurt. I don't know if it left a mark or what, but yeah, right there. See that red mark? Man, it hurts. All right, here we go. Inside is this Back to the Future box. Really cool box, by the way. So it's 35th anniversary. So it's got a time machine there on that side, and the back of the time machine there. So we pop this open. Wow, that's so cool. Comes with a little booklet here. Certificate of authenticity. Couple silica gel packets. You should save these actually, because apparently, like, if you drop your cell phone in water or something, these will work a lot better than rice. But just make sure, like, animals and children don't get anywhere near it. Alright, so I'm gonna pull this out. Look at that Mr. Fusion, eh? Wow. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. I thought it would be smaller than that. I wonder if this Bing comes out. Does it? Kind of looks like it could. But I'm going to have to put some force on there, and I'm not going to bother doing that because I don't want to break it. But it almost looks like maybe that Bing could come out. Nope, I don't know. So we'll open up the latch. Awesome. And this is all felt padding there, or flocking. Take this coin out here. There's no wiggle room. It's hard to get out. There we go. Check out that coin. I don't know how well this is focusing, but I'm gonna have to read it to you. Back to the Future. One ounce, 999 pure silver. What else is on there? Just a bunch of time dates here. 88, 55, 19. Yeah, just a whole bunch of different numbers on there. I thought it was dates, but it doesn't really look like dates. It just says 88 repeatedly over there. And then you get the lightning graphic back here. I don't know how well this is focusing on that. Try to focus a little better. There we go. So you got that lightning and the out of time license plate on there. And on this side, it's got the Queen, 2020, $2. So try not to confuse that with any And $2 coins. Here in Canada, we have toonies, so they don't look anything like as cool as this. So, but yeah, that's pretty awesome. So I'll just keep that in the case. And the Mr. Fusion. It's got a felt bottom on there. Wow, that's awesome. So cool. Feels like it's magnetic, actually. Are there magnets in here? When I close that, it feels magnetic. Maybe not. Just something latching. Kind of snaps into place. You've even got the little numbers on the dials here. Because I used to be a Krups, that's what they used in the movie. It was a Krups coffee grinder, so that would be a little dial that you set to it. And that's where your coffee grounds would go. Pretty cool, I like it. I thought the paint was screwed up, there's just some dust on there. Looks good. Alright, let me know what you think of the Mr. Fusion coin, Back to the Future coin. And yeah, that's my review. I love it, it's awesome. What does it say on the bottom here? UCS, LLC, and Amblin. Cool. Alright, take care.